currently at Laurel Hill and we're waiting for the rain to stop. We're packing up the tent. The one's supposed to open more than that.
Yes.
There.
We're just gonna make some repairs.
There we go. Maybe it's too cold and it got stuck. It's like freezing. I can't feel my fingers.
Don't ever exaggerate. It's not freezing. It's only 8 degrees in the car.
It's so cold. I feel like I could snap my fingers off. I don't know what it's going to be like when we get to the top of Mount Buffalo, which is at a high elevation, right? And it's most likely definitely has snow / is snowing. So yeah, that's going to be great.
Well, I'll do everything and freeze. I'm cold.
Headless chicken Dan.
Watch out!
Gonna wait for the rain to stop a little bit and then we're gonna go to the forest, take some pictures, and then we're gonna drive. How long is the drive to Mount Buffalo?
About another 4 hours.
Oh my god.
We're only halfway.
And I'll be awake for this one. I'm so jet lagged because I got back from America 1 day ago. 2 days ago, I don't know.
1 day ago.
1 day. So I've had 1 day at home. 2 days ago, I don't know.
Half a day ago?
Yeah, like... Alright, we're braving the rain and just going in the forest. We're doing that. Okay. Hi, Kung. Kung just wanted to go.
No, I didn't. I've already been.
Yeah, you've been here like... How many times? 3 times. Casey and I sat over there.
Are they ever going to show you how to edit your presets on Lightroom? No,
I was waiting for Dan. Bye, Dan.
Bye, Dan.
You're taking too long. It's super muddy.
I think the size of I'm a tree. Never tree. No.
Have you decided to join us?
No. Yeah, this is all for sure. I'm not actually.
I'm like happy with the photos I got last time here.
Sunset was great.
Sunset?
Sunrise.
We woke up at 4 AM for sunset. Dan copying Kung's shots. Oh god, they're coming. They're coming.
We're already. Let's do some burnouts and go.
Yeah, I'm happy to go. We got all the shots that we wanted of it, so we're just gonna go because it's too cold. I thought they all came from that car. 20 people. It's like a clown car. Oh my god, Dan, I went to come to this side to sit in the passenger side. I'm still used to being in the States. And we're off.
Hello. In about 5 minutes until the truck's ready.
Alright, look how clean the mat is, and then I'll update you guys at the end of the trip, and it's probably gonna look really disgusting. Ugh. Ah! Oh my god! Look at that, it's disgusting. Dan thought it would be a good idea to drive a few laps in the mud. Ah! Ah! Oh my god! This is so scary! Oh, there's some big potholes. Good luck to Kung. And again, before I get interrupted, the 3rd time, we are leaving Bago State Forest and we are heading off to Mount Buffalo. Whoop whoop! This street is beautiful. I don't know, I really love the way trees look dead in winter.
When the truck went past, we got a free car wash.
Okay. Look how beautiful the cows are. Aww. And they're all right here. What time did we get to Laurel Hill?
I think it was about 2:30 AM.
And then I think we got into bed by like 3. Oh, Kung's messaging.
Alright, what was that, mate? Rock?
The rocks are all mossy. We just turned onto the Great Alpine Road, yay! Look guys, it's the emu. Of course he did.
Private property, do not.
Deer and emu farm, maybe we should have gone.
There's a deer down there.
Are you kidding? Hello. Wow, they're so like lively. Hey dear. Wow. They'll bite your fingers off. Oh my goodness. They look so scary. I think they're hungry. Oh, look at their feathers are all wet.
I think they're interested in this.
They probably think it's food. We just stumbled across this farm that has a bunch of, oh wait, emus, not ostriches. Emus and deer. Look at this one. Ah, it's so beautiful. Hi. This is incredible, Dan. Hello. What are they doing? So Dan has to fill up the car with Alpine diesel. I don't know why. Maybe he'll explain when he gets back into the car. I think he's explained this to me before, but I can't remember. Beep, beep, beep. Kind of intense. It's so weird seeing snow in the gum trees.
Oh, I know what Kung's doing.
You doing this for real?
He's been waiting how long to do this? However you want to do this, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Holding a camera. Shit.
Love this. I've come to the snow when I was like maybe 7 in Australia. So it's really weird for me to see snow here. Yeah. To us it's like not a regular thing. It's like a destination that you have to go to in Australia. It just doesn't snow everywhere. On Kung's Snapchat it says 10 degrees. On mine it says 4. I think it's 4. Yeah, it's not that cold. We're at an elevation of 1.5 kilometers. It's so cool, like the park benches have like a really thick layer of snow on them, which I've only seen once before in Yosemite. But it's really cool seeing it now in Australia. So now I think we're heading off and we're gonna check out a few campgrounds to see where we can stay tonight.
They can jump through a window for food if they're hungry.
It's so skinny. It's so beautiful.
This place is called Dingo Dell.
It has like tiger stripes on its face. I don't know if you can see that in the camera. Oh, it's just sitting there. Wow. Creepy. We were just driving around and we saw this building that we thought was like an accommodation type thing, but it actually looks like it's abandoned. So we're just checking it out. This is our current tent situation. We've got the rooftop tent, the annex set up, and then we've got a tarp, a tarp attached from the annex to Kung's roof what's it called? Basket on the roof racks to give us a little shelter from this rain while we cook some food. The boys are currently folding up the rooftop tent. We packed away the annex, we packed away like the barbecue and everything that we used yesterday. But yeah, we camped for the first time in the snow. It was actually a pretty good experience. It was quite warm in the rooftop tent. Yeah, we had a good time. There goes the ladder. Yesterday we drove around Mount Buffalo. We got out, take a couple of photos, not too many though. I think we were all a bit tired because we drove, I think, about 700 kilometers from home to where we are now in Victoria. And then when we found our camping spot, we set up the barbecue and we had wood, coal, fire starter, and we were trying to set it alight to cook some food for ourselves, but we forgot we were at a high altitude and it would have been like maybe -5 degrees at night and we just couldn't get the barbecue going. It was so frustrating. So eventually we decided to not bother with the barbecue. We boiled some water instead and we had some ramen noodles in a cup. Yeah, and then we all went to bed at like maybe 8:30 and we fell asleep really early, and then we woke up at 5 a.m. today. We got up, it's currently 7 and the sun's rising. Sunrise is really late here. I don't know if it's because we're high up or what, but yeah, so we've almost finished packing up everything. Yeah, but that's it for now. Film some more when we're on the road. It's probably going to be bright by then. Alright.